Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Skye, and my husband Chad and I own an online interior decor shop called House Holm. And over on this channel, we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. I am so happy that you decided to stop by my channel today. I am so thankful for you, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. Today we're going to be decorating my front porch for fall. So I wanted to put a little disclaimer out there and say that the front or the exterior of our home is definitely still needing some work. We actually would love to German schmear the exterior of our home, paint the trim, get new windows, pretty much give it an entire makeover. We'd love to create a true front porch that's covered, but that's a dream and it'll happen someday, just not today. So this is where we're at. We've got this red brick on our exterior, so I wanted to just have my decor look nice with the way that the exterior of our home is right now. So I have these two rugs. That first one, the white one, is so cute. It's from Amazon, and I'll have everything that I can link for you guys. It'll just be a few things down in the description below. But we did pick up this big corn stalk. I think it's so cute and just adds that like traditional fall feel on a front porch. And then you guys saw me pick up the rug, the little half circle rug there from Target a few weeks ago. So I'm finally putting that to good use. And this is actually something that Chad gets some credit for. He was out at the store and said, what about adding some wood to, like some firewood to the front porch? And I said, oh my gosh, that's such a great idea. I'm going with kind of a rustic theme here. And so I thought that would be perfect. So we picked up some of that and just put it in this huge galvanized tub that we actually used to put our Christmas tree in. And so we were able to use that here too, which I thought was great. These are some wooden crates that I got at Hobby Lobby. I do need to weatherproof them, but I wanted to kind of just get everything set up today and just see how I like it, and if I wanted to use those for sure before I went ahead and sprayed those with just a protective coat. So I did grab some small pumpkins to put in there, and then you saw just a second ago we brought out the mums. I found these beautiful like creamy toned mums from a new nursery here in Charlotte, and it was so fun to go exploring. It was so beautiful, and there were so many different options, but I wanted to go with something just kind of neutral since we do have that red brick on the front of our house. So I threw that also in a galvanized tub just so that it would kind of give a little cohesive look and everything would kind of match nicely. I definitely could have bought two of those corn stalks and I kind of regretted it, but I also, the more I think about it, I like having just not be too crowded there on the right hand side of the door, because we're kind of going in the house that way. So I decided just to go with the one corn stalk there, but I'm just adding my pumpkins from Trader Joe's now. I love these pumpkins. If you guys saw my fall tablescape video a couple videos back, I shared a fun way to decorate your dining table for fall using these, and I just love Trader Joe's pumpkins. They're my absolute favorite place to purchase pumpkins from because they have so much character. They're all different shapes and sizes and different colors, and it's so fun to be able to mix and match them with whatever style you're decorating with, whether it is more of a traditional style. They definitely have some bright orange pumpkins, or just more of that neutral look that I'm going for with the muted oranges and greens and the creamy whites as well. So here you can see I ended up deciding to put all of those mini pumpkins that were in my crates, just in the top one. And then you'll see here pretty soon we are going to come in and actually raise those crates up with just some extra firewood that we had. They ended up kind of getting hidden behind the pumpkins and the mums, so that definitely helps out a little bit. But I think it's turning out so great. I just love being able to walk into my home and have my porch just decorated so cute. This is actually the first holiday in this house that we've kind of gone all out outside, and it's so fun to just pull up in the driveway and see my cute little decor on the porch. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna continue to play around with the pumpkin placement and get everything just right, and then you'll see us again just raise up those crates so that they're not quite so hidden back there. And then I'm going to come through and my front door, and I'm going to add one of the bags that we carry in our shop, and it's a Live Simply bag. It's a jute bag. It's beautiful, and I'm going to end up just filling that with some stems, and I think it's just going to add a little pop of color and kind of carry on that texture of that rug down below. So you can see that up here. I grabbed several stems. These are all from Hobby Lobby, and I had this plastic bag that was just in our garage, and I grabbed that to put at the bottom of this bag, or the tote bag, just to kind of fill it up and make it look a little bit more full. And then I ended up throwing just a couple of the stems in there and getting them kind of just right. I think it's so cute. It's not necessarily traditional to put a bag on your front door, but I liked that instead of a wreath. I usually have a wreath out, and I think there's so many cute fall wreaths out there right now, but I wanted to just do something a little bit different this season. So that is what we ended up doing here. And you'll see me here just kind of playing around with this to get it just right. So I was having a little bit of trouble getting the branches to fit in there nicely with the handles, and I ended up actually just kind of putting everything to that left side, and I do think it turned out looking really pretty. I love it just because, again, it is not your traditional front door decor, and I like to switch things up and try new things, and I'm so glad that I did this season. I think this bag just ties everything in so nicely with that beautiful hearth and hand rug. It just adds so much texture and really just is so beautiful. Such a great pop of color on that black door. So this is how it all turned out. I hope that you guys love it and that it gives you some front porch inspiration. Let me know if you guys have decorated your front porch for fall this year, and if so, what style you decided to go with. Are you decorating with a more traditional style in mind, or are you doing more of a rustic style like this? What are you guys doing? I love to hear from you all. It really just brightens my day so much and brings a huge smile to my face to read your comments. So I just wanted to thank you guys for being here. You really mean so much to me and to my family, and we're just so incredibly grateful for your support of our channel and of our shop. I am so excited for our next video because we are going to be sharing some more new arrivals from House and Holm, and I will be doing some decorating, which is always something that I enjoy. So I will see you guys next Tuesday morning. It's also a collaboration with one of my friends, so I just cannot wait. Make sure you guys are subscribed and that you turn on your notification bell so you get notified when my videos go live. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one.